Good day, Madam, Sir. My name is Natividad M. Cabrera, 25 years old, married. I have one child, a high school graduate.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Natividad. How are you today?
Good day to you, Madam, Sir. I'm okay.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
The right attitude and characteristic of good domestic helper is patient, loyal, honest, responsible, and hardworking.
So how will you avoid homesickness since you're a first-timer?
I will get myself busy and hardworking.
Can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
The proper way of taking a children is give them food, give them vitamins on time, take a bath, and love them as like my own children.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
I humble say, sorry, Madam, Sir. Negligence on my part. Please, sorry, and I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise that you want to share to the employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me because I need this job for my family and for my child. I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Natividad, and good luck.
Thank you, Madam, Sir.